Hi and welcome. Hi, welcome to News 4 at 7. Let's go to Mr. Oinkers, cause I'm having a cramp. I'm having a cramp in my head. So let's go. Let's go to Mr. Oinker. Thanks, kid. Thanks, kid.
It doesn't like you.
Are you doing?
Thanks, cat.
Thanks, kid.
So here is my personal friend, my dog,
My
Muffy, who recently died in a car crash because
she was
someone ran
drunk.
over.
Now we will go.
Now it's the Statue of Liberty.
His
or a
birthday. It's the Statue of Liberty's birthday.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, I'm a fine looking man for a fine looking lady.
Hello, I'm Bruce Renshaw. How are you? Tonight we will take in an extraordinary look at the Chinese culture of the Olympics.
Shoot.
Thank you very much. I am pleased to talk to you all. Here is my friend, the Golden Retriever, who killed me.
It was fun. It was fun.
Plus,
He had nunchy bones.
yeah, I'm craving for a treat. Do you guys know any particular restaurant with bones? If you do, please contact me at 250-90. Thank you. So
Now
here's
let's
my
go to
friend.
Mr. Clown. Hey kids!
Hi kids. You want a balloon? Alright. Well, you're not gonna get one because you guys all suck. Here's my puppet friend.
Oh yeah.
I'm a lion, man. Lion. I'm a monkey. What?
Okay.